In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to hide your account location on Instagram. Publicly displaying your location can reveal sensitive information about where you live, work, or frequently visit, making it easier for strangers or malicious actors to track your movements. To hide your account location, simply head to Instagram. On your profile page, tap onto these three lines to access your settings and activity. You will want to navigate onto the option of About. It's just under the section of More Info and Support. Head to About your account. On the option of Account Based In, make sure to turn it off. After that, head to your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll onto the option of Instagram. Select Location. Mark on this option of Never. By keeping your location private, you maintain more control over your personal safety and reduce the risks of unwanted attention or threats. That's how easy it is to hide location on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.